Hello everyone, welcome to Jade Softech. Today we are discussing about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence uses in everyday life? Anyone who uses the terms like Hey Siri or Hey Google in their day-to-day life would be well familiar with the benefits and use cases of an AI intelligent voice assistant. In today's digital world, AI-powered smart assistant apps have received widespread attention. Seeing the growing popularity and acceptance of these digital assistants, enterprises are widely looking for AI personal assistant app development cost and a trusted app development company to build one for their business. These digital assistants are supported by a wide array of modern devices, including mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, and Cortana are some of the most popular voice assistants, attracting around 142.0 million people in the US. According to insider intelligence, more than half US internet users will use a voice assistant by 2026. Artificial intelligent assistants are a significant development that has completely transformed the way people find information and interact with companies that leverage generative AI development services and IVA technologies to provide unparalleled customer support. So, if you are thinking of how much an AI personal assistant app development cost and how business can benefit from them, this video is for you. Herein we have compiled a detailed guide on how much it will cost to develop an AI assistant app and the benefits of building one for your business along with the list of top IVA. How much will AI personal assistant app development cost? The cost to develop an AI powered smart assistant app varies significantly depending on some factors such as the personal assistant app features, the platform it will run on iOS, Android, web service, etc. The development team's location, the technology stock, and so on. An average on AI personal assistant app development cost can range somewhere between 40,000 to 1 lakh. However, the integration of advanced AI technologies with the multiple features and functionalities can widely increase this estimated cost, which cloud go upwards 5 lakhs or more. It is also worth considering that the development cost quoted here is just the initial estimate of the overall cost of maintaining a successful virtual assistant app. There are also ongoing costs such as a maintenance and upgrade which must be considered. Factors that affect the AI personal assistant app development cost. There are several factors that can affect the virtual assistant development cost. Understanding these factors is essential to create a realistic budget if you are considering to build a digital assistant for your business. In this section, we will discuss with crucial elements that determine the proposal assistant AI development cost, providing a better understanding of how these elements can affect the overall cost to build an AI assistant. Features and functionalities. An AI personal assistant app development cost also depends on the features list you want to integrate into the application. So, if you have a limited budget, consider minimizing the features list. However, to achieve an improved user experience and higher engagement rate, your virtual assistant should have a stock of advanced features and digital technologies. Complexity. The complexity of your AI application like Siri or Alexa is another important factor that affects the cost parameter. The more complex the app is, the more time, capital, and resources it will require to develop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.